the Ukrainian Air Defense Forces destroyed another Russian aircraft. According to Ukrinform, the General Staff of the Armed Forces of Ukraine wrote this on Facebook. Another recently destroyed Russian plane embellishes Ukrainian fields. The Air Defense Forces of the Air Force Command continue to shoot down enemy military equipment, the General Staff wrote. Although, according to various Russian propagandists, the Ukrainian air defense has long been destroyed, and judging by the statistics of the occupiers, several times already, the General Staff Press Service added. As Ukrinform reported, the Ukrainian Air Defense Forces destroyed 3 aircraft of Russian invaders and at least 5 cruise missiles on March 25.